Welcome to Keeping It Real with Power Platform, where we look at how real people use Power Platform around the world to create awesome software solutions. And today, we have JP Espeña with us, joining us from Manila, Philippines. JP is the Power Platform lead with Digital Airways. And JP is also a champion for creating beautiful and accessible designs with Power Apps. And today, he will share his experiences with us. So, welcome, JP.
Hi, Leon. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here today. So, JP, tell us about your journey with Power Platform.
Honestly, I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. So I've been working in a cement manufacturing plant here in the Philippines for more than 6 years. And that's when I discovered Power Platform, particularly the low-code app development in Power Apps Canvas app. I tried to create a Canvas app on my own, which led me to creating my first project, which is an inspection app. I decided to change career, which Power App program really helped me a lot because it aims for career shifters like me. And fortunately, I was hired as a Power Platform developer. So yeah, that's how my journey started.
That's great. And that's a very inspiring career shift that you just shared from like mechanical engineer working like in the field to being the Power Platform lead at a large company. So that's a wonderful and inspiring journey. Also, like you were talking about the beautiful and accessible designs, you're a champion for beautiful and accessible designs. I follow you on LinkedIn and I love all your posts.
Thanks.
Can you show us an example of one of the apps that you built?
Yeah, sure. I can share this HR app that I'm currently building. If you go here, you will see like the list of all the employees. If you want to add like a new employee, or you can also import like a list of existing employees in an Excel file, and then it will automatically create individual employees on the back end using a Power Automate flow. You can add a new job posting, and then when you create it, that job post will be created here. And then this one is also integrated to other social media platforms like Facebook. So it will create an post on Facebook. And then when people apply through email, a Power Automate flow that is integrated also with AI will extract the data from the email. They will be rated by the AI. Yeah, I think this will be very helpful to automate those manual processes. Across our apps, we also implement this light mode and dark modes. I developed a component library in our environment. We use the same development process so that all our apps will be uniform. So for example, in the buttons, you can put like custom SVGs or custom images on your icons.
That was very insightful. So JP, do you have any other apps that you want to show us?
Okay, yeah. So right now I'm sharing an app that I'm currently working at my current company. So basically this is a safety mock app or safety checklist app. We show some quick glance information about the app. I designed it as a very intuitive app. They can access the safety mock that is created or assigned to them. And then they will be navigated to the checklist like this one. They can click yes if this is okay, no if this is not okay. And then they can add features as well as add notes. And then, if they see a problem, they can also add corrective actions per items. So those corrective actions can also be seen here. And they can also use this as a filter.
This is great, and this app looks fantastic. So one question, JP, what can you recommend people that are trying to create their apps to make them accessible? As they start building their apps, thinking about their designs, what should they be thinking about?
There are different guidelines in creating an accessible apps, like for instance, the contrast or the contrast of the content, especially the text. Most of this, as you can see, I try to make the contrast between the foreground and the background to be very high in contrast. You can easily identify which content belong together. And also the texts are very visible so that those people with poor eyesight can really see the app. It should be able to use like the screen speakers you should focus on making it as intuitive as possible and as easy to use for all of the users that are using your app.
That's fantastic, like guidance to share with everyone that is trying to create an accessible app as the ones that you are creating. So, JP, first one thing to mention to everyone watching that these are real apps that JP created as part of his job. So all his users will be able to benefit and use those apps, getting close also to Microsoft's mission of empowering every person and every organization in the planet to achieve more. So, JP, for people that want to learn more about your work, follow what you do, learn of all the latest designs, how can they follow you?
I'm mostly active on LinkedIn. This is where I share most of my contents. So yeah, you can follow me on LinkedIn.
Wonderful. Awesome, JP. Thank you very much, JP. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video of Keeping It Real with Power Platform. Bye for now.